So here we have a fan which looks like this. It is for tables. It has a base, it has the fan part. There is the motor in the back. It can tilt its own head left and right by pushing this in or pulling it out. If you push it in, it will rotate, it will tilt. And if you pull it up, then it stops. The power is controlled with this knob. So it has 3 power levers. Now the fan started. It's on the first speed, second speed, and the third speed. And it's quite silent on the maximum speed, as you can hear. Okay, and while it's rotating, you can push this in and it's starting tilting left and right. It is tilting, let's call it 90, something like this, around 90 degrees as it's visible. Okay, and this is plastic, and this grill, this is metal. And if you set it to the highest speed, then maybe you can see that paper, it's moving there. You can stop it, stop the rotation while it is turning. So I will lock it, let's see, here, and now the paper should always move. Okay, so that's a fan. It is made by Honeywell. It is a 40-watt device. Let's turn it upside down. Here we have some specifications. You can see the model HT-112EV1, 40 watts. And it's made in China. So that's the bottom. It's adjustable here, as you can see. The inclination of the head is also adjustable from this one. You can put it lower or higher. It's not a large difference, but you can adjust it a little bit and then lock it back. And in this way, let's enable it. And let's enable the rotation also. I can make the air go inside there to the shower and come outside here to this zone also. It's usable in the bathroom also. Of course, don't put water on it. It's not waterproof, but just for the air, it's okay. And we can adjust it to higher speed also. The speed is only for the fan, it's not for the rotation, the tilting. The tilting speed is pretty much constant, as I see. That's the highest rotation speed. That's the lowest speed, and the tilting speed is quite identical. Face it that way and it's still rotating a little bit. So go back this way. Stop, so that's the on-off button, but it's always rotating more. Okay, go, and I will stop the tilting from this. Stop at that angle. Okay, now you can turn it off or turn it on and it will blow the air always that way. Okay, so that's the fan. So when the fan is rotating, take care for the other objects. As you can see, it's pushing it away. So leave some space around the fan so that you will not block the movement. Once again, luckily this is lightweight and it's pushing it away. So don't damage it by blocking it. It's trying to rotate itself if it's blocked. It's rotating its own base if it's blocked.